You like a guy, but he has no idea. You don't want to make the first move, but you do want to let him know that the light is green. How can you send signals to your crush that you're interested in taking things to the next level? The answer is simple. Hi, I'm Amy North, YouTube's favorite love and dating coach. Falling in love is easy, but building a relationship is hard. I'm going to tell you how to make your crush notice you so that your love story can finally begin. These are some quick ways to send signals to your crush. You don't have to make the first move for these to work. You don't have to be a supermodel or even be particularly confident. You just have to build a pattern of behavior that will give him the subconscious idea that he should spend more time getting to know you. It's simple psychology. On to my first tip. Single him out. We all know the cliche that boys pull girls' pigtails because they like them. This dynamic is still at play in adult relationships. Some friendly teasing is a great way to flirt with a guy. Teasing accomplishes a few things. It shows him that you have a sense of humor, that you don't take life too seriously, and most important, it lets him know that you're comfortable around him. It doesn't matter how lame or stupid your jokes about him are, he'll notice you noticing him, and that will make him see you in a different light. Are his feelings for you a question mark? I've put together a foolproof quiz to tell you once and for all if he likes you or if he is just leading you on. Go to coachnorth.com/doesheliKeme right now and answer a few simple questions about the two of you. It could make the difference between dating and disaster. That's coachnorth.com/doesheliKeme. Say his name. This is an old tip used by politicians and salespeople. Using someone's name in conversation actually makes you more memorable and seems like you care. This can be helpful no matter how short your interactions are. It'll make you stick in his mind. Do it right and he'll be saying your name in no time. Point with your feet. This is a great tip if you're shy or not ready to talk to him just yet. You can use your body language to tip him off even if he's all the way across the room. All you need to do is point your feet in his direction. Sounds pretty silly, right? Well, scientists and body language experts disagree. They say that people subconsciously point their toes in the direction of those they're interested in approaching and talking to. For this reason, pointing your toes at him can send subliminal signals that you're interested in him. And while you're at it, take a look at where his feet are pointed. It's time for some toe-to-toe contact. Get close. Speaking of making contact, physical proximity is key. He probably makes you nervous, so you avoid getting too close, right? Then how is he supposed to have any idea that you like him? Physical proximity is the #1 way to show physical attraction. Make some excuse to get close to him. When you're talking, take a step closer. Laugh at his jokes. If you're watching this video, then chances are your crush makes you nervous. When we're nervous, things like laughing, smiling, and eye contact can easily go right out the window. Make an effort to relax and have fun when you're around him. Laughing at his jokes is a great way to show that you not only like having fun, but that you think he's funny. The truth is that men like women who make them feel funny and interesting. Compliment him. Everyone likes a compliment, even if they don't know how to take it. The truth is that any sort of positive phrase will make a guy more interested. Most men like women who pump their tires a little. Whether this means congratulating him on a great presentation at work or saying you like his shoes, compliments go a long way. It says, I notice you and I like what I see. Wear red. Psychological research shows that men are more attracted to women when they wear the color red. Some say it's because of the cultural connection between romance and the color red. Think Valentine's Day. Others say that it's due to biological factors. Namely, that when mammals are ovulating, the increased flow of blood causes certain body parts to redden. Either way, red has been proven to make men more interested in women, so use that to your advantage. Red lipstick, red nail polish, or red clothing are a great place to start when you're trying to send him signals. Change things up. If you're looking to put out good vibes, a great place to start is with your appearance. Even a subtle change is a great way to make everyone around you take notice. A new haircut, new accessories, even a new sweater can change everything. The great thing about this is even if he doesn't notice you've changed, you'll know, and that will make you feel more confident and more in control, and that could make all the difference. So, there you have it. These are my top tips to send signals to your crush and make him notice you. I'd recommend not employing all these tips at once, as it could be overwhelming for both of you. Just take it slow and build on these signals until he can't resist you anymore. If you want more tips like this, go to coachnorth.com right now and learn more about it in my devotion system. I share the simple phrases that'll make any man fall for you. It's as easy as snapping your fingers. That's coachnorth.com. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you remember the first time your crush noticed you, please share your story in the comments below. Bye!